Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I just thought that I would bring you guys something that I've been working on, and my goal was to build a online store. Now, the problem that I had with this online store is that I didn't have any inventory. Also, another problem was I became an Amazon affiliate, and I was like, well, how can I promote Amazon and how can I make money? I started going on YouTube, uploading videos and then putting affiliate links under my YouTube, which I know that works, but I'm not really popular on YouTube yet. Or, I don't even know if I'll ever be popular on YouTube. But this is just to say that if I could build a site with really no inventory, why not use Amazon for my inventory? Because Amazon has countless inventory. So I purchased a domain, and I haven't even purchased any web hosting or anything like that. I went for GoDaddy.com, bought a dollar domain, and I created Choc de Levant. Luxury that meets your needs, lifestyle that meets smooth. And basically it's an online store. And this is just the beginning. I want to sell a lot of things, but I just wanted to get started. We have women's fur coats. We have jewelry and men's coats and jackets. And I plan on selling a lot more things on here. This is just to get my feet wet. This is my first time really creating. I've created websites before, but this is my first time really like trying to go full pledge on professional. I mean, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything like how I created this site, or how did I link everything with Amazon, see how here, email store. If you want to know like that or anything like that, feel free to like, comment, subscribe.